So guys, hope you have understood the poem well, because I have already in my previous lecture I already discussed about the content of the poem, the meaning of the poem, stanza wise I told you, and today the theme of the poem, the central idea of the poem or the critical appreciation of the poem. What does the poet want to say through the lines of the poem? So on the basis of today's lesson, you note down 5 questions. Question number 1. When the boy comes to his present state, what does he think about his life? When the boy comes to his present state, what does he think about his life? 2. Why the boy does not want to buy a new ball? Why the boy does not want to buy a new ball? 3. Depict the philosophy of the poem with reference to the poet's suggestion. Depict the philosophy of the poem with reference to the poet's suggestion. Question 4. This is the quote from the line. You can consult the book. You go through the book. Stanza 3. Question 4. Balls, balls will be lost always, little boy. Balls, balls will be lost always, little boy. And no one buys a ball back. I repeat, and no one buys a ball back, full stop. Money is external, within inverted comma. The question is, elucidate the lines. Clarify the lines. Elucidate, E-L-U-C-I-D-A-T-E. You are quite acquainted with this word. Elucidate the lines. And the last question is, give the synonym of intrude. Give the synonym of intrude, I-N-T-R-U-D-E, within inverted comma. Give the synonym of intrude. So students, this much for the day. Go through the poem, recite. Just I recited before you in my previous teaching. Recite at least for 3 times, then you will come to know the meaning, the content of the poem in vivid manner. Then you answer these 5 questions on the basis of the poem. I have not given you the question out of the poem. So on the basis of the poem and on the basis of my teaching and lecture. So till then, stay home, stay safe. God bless you. Bye-bye.